Okay, today we have the Technics RS-TR212. This is a Technics dual cassette deck. Has auto reverse on this side. This is the recording deck. A single direction deck. Only plays in one way. It does have high speed dubbing. Dolby B and C. Okay. A single record level adjusting. So I just finished all the tone tests. I replaced the gears inside because those plastic gears are always garbage. I did replace all the belts. This one is an 8.4 flat belt small. This one is a 5.9 round belt small. This one is an 8.6 flat belt small. This one is a 5.9 round belt small. Okay. I probably could have put an 8.4 on here, but an 8.6 fits much better. These motors are Primo. They have a date code of 1991. So like I said, the speed test has all been done. The recording levels have all been set. Okay. So this deck has came a long way. The door had to be replaced because it was broken. The hinge spring had to be replaced. It was just off and rolling around inside the machine. So all the speed tests are done. Now it's time to get a couple strikes on YouTube. So this side is fully functional. This is the record deck. So this deck is fully functional. So even with these crappy test tapes, it sounds fantastic. So that's it for this video. Like I said, I did a complete repair video, but Sprint and YouTube would not allow me to upload the video. After 4 hours of trying, I finally gave up. So, but the RS-TR212 is back from the grave and good to go for a long time. So, have a good day. Party on.